You may have wondered why classroom learning systems has been chosen to be utilized by special school district. As part of IDEA and ESSA, the Every Student Succeeds Act, research-based practices have been mandated by law. Classroom learning systems incorporates many research-based practices from multiple researchers including John Hattie, Robert Marzano, and Doug Lemov. The links you see on your screen will provide more information on each of these strategies. In a nutshell, the rationale behind classroom learning systems are the following. It is a district initiative. It works with the Missouri teaching standards and supports both district and your Academy One professional learning plans. You will learn a specific skill set, including behaviors that you will show during implementation, which would support certificate upgrades. This will also support student self-advocacy and self-determination needs, while also encouraging culturally responsive teaching. Here you see Hattie's Barometer of Effectiveness. Through John Hattie's research, common teaching practices were put into one of 4 categories that you see in front of you. On the left-hand side in the red are teaching practices that have reverse effects. In the yellow, you see teaching practices that would have developmental effects, anything from a 0.0, numerically speaking, to a 0.2. In the green, you would see teaching practices with typical teaching effects, basically 1 year's growth. Anything above a 0.4 is a teaching practice within the zone of desired effects, meaning the biggest bang for your buck. We will see the most growth with students by utilizing these practices. Based on the research from John Hattie, you'll see the following teacher practices that fall into that desired teaching effect category. For example, students self-reporting on their grades and explaining their expectations has the highest numerical value of effectiveness. Student goal setting, providing evaluation, formative evaluation that drives our instruction, the use of effective feedback, the building of solid teacher-student relationships, and keeping a student-centered teaching approach. All are teaching methods that are involved in classroom learning systems, all within that desired teaching effect. It is the expectation for teachers for special school district will be utilizing teaching methods that would yield the desired teaching effectiveness. That being said, by completing this course, you will be able to determine long-term learning requirements using the Missouri Learning Standards, engage students and key partners in understanding those learning requirements, setting goals and reporting progress, and finally, that you will be able to establish, monitor, and support positive relationships with students, families, and other key partners.